Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you are enjoying this workshop. The most important message of this video is to learn how to sell yourself. In the previous session you saw that how an insignificant mouse became a mighty savior by knowing its strengths, its limitations, and by talking factually without bragging about it. I'm sure by now you have also met yourself. That what are your roles in your personal, professional and social life, what makes you suitable in those roles, and what parts of your personality are threats to those roles. Let's put it to a small test. If I say I am a trustworthy person to my friends in my social life because I am there for them in their time of need. Instead, I am so much available that sometimes I may skip my own work and spend my time helping them out. So while doing this, what am I doing? Self-projection or selling is something you are always doing and will keep on doing for the rest of your life. Some people may not like saying it selling. They may say a better word like communication skills, but at the end of the day, it is selling. Remember the time when you were getting married or were preparing for it. You had to sell or project yourself to your spouse, his or her parents, friends, and even extended family members. This all was done in the form of self-grooming, fancy talks, and expensive gifts. Or, for instance, it is purely selling when you are striving for a job or a promotion. Those who get the promotion sell better than you. The successful ones were not in the sales business, but they knew how to market themselves for that position. Maybe you too can learn how to do it. The foundation of these tips is based on marketing strategies adopted by Mace and Ferris onto the career management in form of 4 P's of self-marketing. These 4 P's of self-marketing: product, price, place, and promotion must be well identified for each situation. Product. You are the product. Think of your characteristics in terms of assets. The product is not just your academic institutes, degrees, grades, courses, and technical skills. The intangible qualities like organizational skills, people management skills, ability to think, creativity, and maturity makes the real difference and get you hired. The second P is pricing. It is the value given to the product. The hiring authorities sees the product, that is you, in terms of cost effectiveness. They want to get best product at the best price. It is a slippery road. Fewer qualities or too much bragging makes them think of alternatives. Therefore, always present yourself in a balanced way. Third P is place. It is the type of work you will be doing or the place where you will work. Always align product's characteristics with the environment of workplace. Therefore, while presenting yourself, think in terms of traveling, work dynamics, facilities, expectations, and other factors associated with that job. The last P is promotion. Promotion is developing a win-win situation for yourself and for those who are hiring you. It would be best to assure them that hiring you will not only help them, but it will also help you progress in your life. Talking about benefits to only you or the hiring authority gives an impression of being selfish or fake. Therefore, never forget to create a win-win situation. So these are the 4 P's: product, pricing, place, and promotion. Let's use them in the upcoming activity.